too short for a long story. 5 years have passed, 5 summers with the length of 5 long winters, and again I hear these waters rolling from their mountain springs with a soft inland murmur. Disclose the long expecting flowers. And the rainbow comes and goes, and lovely is the rose. The moon doth with delight look around her when the heavens are bare. Waters on a starry night are beautiful and fair. The sunshine is a glorious birth. I was born upon a prairie where the wind is blue free. My heart is at your festival. My head hath its coronal. The fullness of your bliss I feel. I was born where there were no enclosures, where everything drew a free breath. In 1,000 valleys far and wide, fresh flowers where the sun shines warm, where yet some yellow lonely leaves we find, lingering and trembling on the naked spray, 20 perchance for millions whirled away. Vain man expects longevity, designed for few indeed and their protracted day. What is it worth that wisdom does not scorn? We're born to wit, but to be wise. Drive my dead thoughts over the universe like withered leaves to quicken a new birth. Here, under this dark skymoor, I want to die there and not within walls. In Xanadu did Kubla Khan a stately pleasure-domed decree, where Alph the sacred river ran through caverns measureless to man down to a sunless sea. So twice 5 miles of fertile ground with walls and towers were girdled round, and there were gardens bright with sinuous rills, where blossomed many an incense-bearing tree, and here were forests ancient as the hills, enfolding sunny spots of greenery. When the stars threw down their spheres, and watered heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he who made the lamb make thee? Tiger, tiger burning bright, in the forests of the night, what immortal hand or eye dare frame thy fearful symmetry? With a wild pleasure falling on mine ear, most like articulate sounds of things to come. So gazed I, till the soothing things I dreamed lulled me to sleep, and sleep prolonged my dreams. For oft when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills, and dances with the daffodils. By lakes and sandy shores, beneath the crags of ancient mountain and beneath the clouds, which image in their bulk both lakes and shores, and mountain crags, so shalt thou see and hear the lovely shapes and sounds intelligible. Of that eternal language which thy God utters, who from eternity doth teach himself in all, and all things in himself. Great universal teacher, he shall mold thy spirit, and by giving make it ask. Therefore all seasons shall be sweet to thee, whether the summer cloth the general earth with greenness, or the redbreast sit and sing. Betwixt the tuft of snow on the bare branch of mossy apple tree, while the night thatch Smokes in the sun thaw, whether the eve drops fall, hard only in the trances of the blast or in the secret ministry of frost. Shall hang them up in silent icicles, quietly shining to the quiet moon.